Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix GCash Zloan login problem or GCash Zloan something went wrong verification problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in GCash application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back, open Play Store or Apps Store, click on search icon, search GCash app, update your GCash application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix GCash login problem or GCash login something went wrong verification problem solved.